Hey guys, Jagga here, and today's video is going to be a very different video. So today's video is actually a nail tutorial. Yeah. So I just wanted to throw a nail tutorial in there because it's where I started. I started my beauty journey with nails. And so I thought, why not do a little nail tutorial? So this is the nail look that, Cheetah print nail look. So that is what today's video is about. If you love beauty videos, mainly makeup tutorials, reviews, try-ons, wear tests, all of that fun stuff, along with occasional hair and nail videos, and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you would like, you can always hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation, so YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. All right, with all that being said, now let's get into my very first, so bear with me, it may not be perfect, nail tutorial. Fingers crossed. So yeah, let's get started. First, I like to take some nail polish remover. I use the women-owned Onyx Professional 100% pure acetone. Please forgive my horrible angle. This is my very first nail tutorial, and it's a little more difficult to film than I thought it would be. So, okay, so I like to take nail polish remover and just clean off my nail plate. Make sure there's no oils or anything on there. Okay. I also like to put a little in like a medicine cup just in case I need it. Need to dip my little brush in because I have this little brush. I don't know if you can see it, but I use this little brush to clean around the edges. So there's that. Okay, so this is just going to be super, just shook the whole table, super simple Cheetah nail art. First I need to paint my nails. I'm going to use this Pro FX sticky base coat. It helps prolong your polish. So I'm going to do that. It is really liquidy, so a little goes a very long way. Okay, so we'll let that sit for a minute. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to do my other hand, so I don't know why I'm closing it all the way. Next, I'm going to be using these two colors. I really hope they're in frame. These two colors, this dark brown and this light brown will be for the accent nails, which are the nails we're gonna put the cheetah print on. This is Peach Macaroon, and this is Woodbury. And I get these at Dollar General. Any browns, I mean, will work. Okay, so I'm gonna use the light brown first and paint the two nails that I want to be my accent nails, so they have a little bit of time to dry so I can start the nail art. And we're probably going to do 2, possibly 3 coats. My eyes are watering and I don't know why. That's lovely. So I'm going to do for the accent nails my ring finger and thumb. I don't know why, those are usually the ones I choose for my accent nails. Make sure you get the edges really good. Cap them off. Helps keep them from chipping. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the darker brown while I let that sit and dry a little. Maybe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, good thing I didn't paint this hand yet. That would have just messed it all up. Okay, going. Sorry, I've had this dark brown one for a little bit, so it's a little... It's been shut for a while. I'm hoping you can see this, guys. So you just want to paint the other nails with the dark brown. And oops. And you want to do probably only 2 coats with this color. It's pretty opaque, so you probably don't need more than 2 coats. Now I'm going to clean this up really quick because it will bug me if I don't. So I just dip it in the nail polish remover and just, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can. Just slide it there along the edges. Clean up the edges. And in case you're wondering, I actually got these little nail brushes off of Wish, but I'm like, I don't know if you like shopping on Wish. I did for a minute, and then I was like, yeah, maybe not. So yeah, you can find nail brushes on Amazon and eBay, and they're easy to find. So now I'm gonna take this brown and start to do the cheetah print. I also need a black, so I'm going to possibly open the black. Oh, that could have been bad. Okay, so that's open. All right, we're gonna start with the dark brown, and we're just going to we're actually gonna put it on the paper towel. We're just going to put some right there on the paper towel, and we're going to take this and just gently make a couple of little blobbies just randomly around the nail. Just try not to touch your nail with the what is it? Toothpick. Just kind of dab the nail polish around, but don't touch your nail with the toothpick. That way you're not stabbing your slightly dry nail polish, you know what I mean? I hope you can see this, and my hair's not in the way. So, just like that. You can be bigger, smaller, doesn't really matter. Okay, now I'm going to wipe that off because I'm going to be flipping this over, and I don't want to get that brown nail polish all over my hand. Oof. Now you take the black, do the same thing with the black, just put some on the paper towel. Ooh, that is, all right, now you want to take the tip of a toothpick and you kind of just want to go around, kind of like squiggly lines around the blobbies, like so. Funny thing is because this black and brown are kind of close in color, I don't know if you'll be able to tell that it's Cheetah. I'm sure you will. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. You don't have to do all the way around. You can do just part on one side, part on the other. That one's going to be tough to tell. Oof. Alright, so now that we've gone around the blobbies, now you just take a little of the black and you just kind of create those little like half circle shapes in some open areas that don't have the cheetah, and just kind of like so. Isn't that super simple? It's a toothpick. Everybody has a toothpick, right? All right, so let's do the thumb. And you do the same thing. And I am shaking so bad right now, and I don't know why. Too much coffee. See, you can even do it with shaky hands. It really is that simple. I'm hoping you can see this. I really hope this video turns out the way I would like it to. Ooh. Feel like you're getting too much on the tip of your toothpick, just wipe it off and go back in. And if you feel like the nail polish is starting to dry on your paper towel, just grab, put down a little more. Fresh. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. I honestly have no idea why I'm shaking so bad. I mean, I drank coffee, but I only had 1 cup. I literally am just starting a 2nd cup, so there's really not a reason why I should be shaking like this. But whatever. Just goes to show you can do this with shaky hands too. Oh, it's driving me crazy though. Then we're gonna go in the blank spots and just kind of do those little half circle-y type things, like so. And that is Cheetah. And then of course, you give these 2 nails some time to dry a little bit, because you don't want to go over it right away with a top coat, because it will smear. So you want to give it a couple minutes to just kind of dry a little. I'm going to go in with this Sally Hansen Insta Dry top coat. This is the best top coat in the world. I swear, I swear. It dries your nails so fast that like in a couple of minutes you can touch your nails and you'll be okay. I mean, I wouldn't like whack your nail on anything, because it does still need, you know, to fully dry all the way through, but it has saved so many of my manicures. It's crazy. So, but you want to put it on semi-fast because it does dry so quick. You want to make sure you're putting it on. I always go with the plain nails first, because we want to give those other ones some time to dry. This is a thick type of top coat because I guess they have to make it that way. So it dries so much quicker. But yeah, it's shiny too, so I'm gonna give these another minute or so, and then I will put a top coat on those. Really hope this tutorial turns out well. This is what got me into beauty and makeup and everything. I was tired of paying an arm and a leg at nail salons, and I just couldn't afford to do it. So I was like, I'll figure it out myself. So I did. All right, I think we should be okay. Here we go. Make sure got it on all the way. This is gonna be fun. Thumbnails are the hardest to do with this top coat because it dries so fast, and you usually have to dip back in for your thumb to make sure. Yeah, so just gotta be quick with this top coat, that's all. If you're quick with it, it'll work just fine. Okay, so that is it. Now you just, let them dry and you are done. Aren't they pretty? So that is a super simple Cheetah nail tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it and you would like to see more nail type tutorials, please leave that in the comments and hit that like button so I know that these are enjoyed. And yeah, hope you come back for other content as well. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day.